So after so long of searching high and low, I finally got myself a set of Magic the Gathering Final Fantasy. And this means a lot to me because I am a big fan of Final Fantasy. As soon as I opened this box, the wave of nostalgia hit me like a ton of bricks. This is a very special moment for me. And I'm not very familiar with Magic, so I won't really know which cards are the hits or the chase cards. But just opening these packs is a treat on its own, so not really worried about that. But you guys can let me know